Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how I got this look, this cute summer look. As you can see, I'm starting with my Felicia twists. I'm gonna just put them away so I can get to work. So I will be starting with my eyebrows. This is Crayon Case's eyebrow pomade. This is my first time using pomade, so I was a little scared. It's a little dark. It's darker than I'm used to, but it ended up being cute. And I'm using a flat brush that I got from Bare Minerals like a million years ago, and I'm gonna use that in concealer to clean up my brows. So I'm using the concealer also to brighten up any dark marks on my face, so the corners of my mouth, my acne scars, and a little under my eyes because I do have some dark areas under my eye. And I'm using that brush, the same brush that I use for my eyebrows, to blend that concealer out. Now I'm taking a fluffier brush and I'm using some translucent powder just to set the concealer, so when I do put my foundation over it, it doesn't move. I'm placing this eyeshadow base on my eyes with the same flat brush, and then I'm just blending it out with my hands. And this Watch Me blush palette is what I'm going to be using with my eyes. This dark reddish color is Cranberry. I'll list all the shades down below, but I'm going to be using this shade on the outermost part of my eye in my crease color. Now I'm taking Cobbler, which is that light brown shade that's at the very top, and I'm going to be blending out the harsh lines of Cranberry. Since it is very bright, I don't want it to look too harsh at the top. Now I'm taking my concealer and I'm creating kind of a cut crease, but not so much. I'm just creating a base for the lighter colors that I'll be using on my eyelids. Using the same translucent powder, I'm gonna take the same fluffy brush that I used earlier, and I'm gonna set the concealer that is on my eyelids and brush off the excess powder from earlier. Now this orange color is Tangerine, and I will be putting it on the outer part of the cut crease and the inner part of the cut crease, and keeping a little bit of the center empty. Taking the concealer that I use for my eyebrows and everything else, I'm gonna put a little bit more on my eyelids as a base for my next color. Now I'm taking yellow from the Box of Crayons palette, also from the Crayon Case, and I will be dabbing that onto the middle part of my lid. And I'm just packing it on just to make sure I get the color. And from the Watch Me blush palette, I will be using Old Banana just to give it some shimmer. Now I'm using the Line Me liner to create a wing liner. It's actually really easy to create a wing liner with this. Usually I use tape, but I got a perfect wing liner for me very easily, so I really like this eyeliner a lot. This is an example why you shouldn't give anyone screw face while you're doing eyeliner. You'll get some eyeliner on your top lid. But to clean it up, I just use some concealer, and then you'll see me go over it with the same cranberry color, and it'll look like new. Here I'm bringing Tangerine and the Old Banana just to my bottom lid, just to match what's on my top lid. Now I'm using mascara, just a little bit of mascara before I put my lashes on. And these are the lashes that I'm using from the Crayon Case. They are the Subject 2 lashes, which are the second one that come in the pack. And they're so easy to put on. Like, if you have struggles putting lashes on, these are the lashes for you. This is my shade of Maybelline Fit Me 338, and you'll see me using the Crayon Case beauty sponge to blend that in. The beauty sponge is so soft, and as you can see, it blends my foundation out perfectly.
She broke my heart to the core, so what? I guess we all gotta grow up. I'm just an icon living, so I don't think a label business just did it.
Now for contour, I'm using the Contourision notebook, and the colors are Briki and Bobby. And you'll see me contouring my cheekbones, my forehead, my nose. I'm using it to contour my whole face. Now to set my face, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. This is my favorite finishing powder. It works perfectly with my skin tone. It's my favorite. Now with my NYX Matte Finishing Spray, I'm just spraying all over my face, and I'm using Rosie Glowrez highlighter for my face. It's so pretty. It has like a pink undertone, which I thought would go perfect with the red that's on my eyes. Like, so pretty. Now to match my eyes, I will be using Milani Color Statement Liner in the number 12. I believe the name is Bordeaux. Anyways, I will list it down below. And it's this maroony color that it literally you can put just plain gloss over it and it will be perfect. But today I will be using my Hall Pass lip gloss in the shade Pecan Popping. It's just such a cute combination. As you can see, here are my finished results. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.